Good afternoon, I'm Ardito. Please stay here because we will have the launching of tsunami ready communication tools, and by the end we will have some board games that we would like to share today and we can bring back. So please stay with us for this launching of the tsunami ready communication tools. So good afternoon everyone. I think we have a very tight schedule. So for this I would like to invite our guest, the Director of UNESCO Office Jakarta, Mr. Muhammad Jalil. I would like to invite, maybe you can see. I would like to invite Dr. Dennis Cheng from UNESCO IOC Tsunami Unit in Paris. And I would like to invite three youth, which is Tasha. Tasha is representing the box breaker. And I would like to invite Taslim Mulyadi, Biril. And also Avianto Amri, but he is joining us with a different hat. He's joining us with Freddy. Biril. So, if I can have everybody's attention, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So, good afternoon once again. So, we have the launching of the Tsunami Ready Communication Tools at the Indonesian Resilient Valley Pavilion. We have already our guests. We are still waiting for the head of the Agency for the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics, Professor Bikorita, which is already on the way here. So, not to lose too much time, I would like to invite Mr. Muhammad Jalil, the Director of UNESCO Office Jakarta, to give a brief remark about the launching of this Tsunami Ready Communication Tools. Muhammad Jalil, thanks to us.
Such a short period of time, there was so much covered. I thought it was a really great presentation. Yeah. So I'm glad you're going to be making. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would say young visitors. How are you? Good. Good. First, organizing the Indonesian stage to launch UNESCO IOS Tsunami Ready Communication Tool.
Mbak Nima, Mbak Ama, Muhammadiyah, Disaster Management,
specifically one close collaboration with our partners. Inspire. I used to say inspire me every day. As you may know, this year is the start of the 100% decade. IOC has been given the mandate to coordinate this important, decade for ocean science. One of the 7 outcomes of the decade is a safe ocean where life and livelihoods are protected from ocean hazard such as tsunami. With this real decade ocean, the UNESCO IOS Assembly approved the establishment of the IOC ASEAN Decade Tsunami Program with the aim of making 100% of communities at risk of tsunami prepared for a resilient tsunami by 2030. 100% is ambitious, but still realistic. Realistic collaboration with the Angel National Tsunami Information Center and the young professional wing represented by Uninspire Indonesia, developed two main tsunami ready communication tools, which are: first one is the Tsunami Ready Game Board, this one, and the 14 animation short videos and showing of Tsunami Ready community. These tools introduce the 12 indicators for a Tsunami Ready community. These tools can be used globally, not only in Indonesia or Indian Ocean, but also in the other region of the Pacific Caribbean and the Northeastern Atlantic and the Mediterranean seas, everywhere, as I said. In addition to these two tools, UNESCO IOC also developed the Tsunami Ready Program website that shows more than 30 communities that have been organized in the process to get recognition as Tsunami Ready community by UNESCO IOC. Lastly, please, I would like to encourage you all to visit innovation platform, the body presented to our commercial sector, number 22, to know more about the Tsunami Ready communication tools and maybe to get a copy of the board game. Terima kasih and have a good day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Director Mohammed, for the introductions, and I would like to warmly welcome Professor Biko Rita Karnawati, the head of BMKG, and Professor Biko Rita is also the chair of the Intergovernmental Coordination Group for Indian Ocean Tsunami Warning and Mitigation System, which is basically coordinating 25 countries in the Indian Ocean. So with that, I would like to invite Professor Biko Rita to give a few remarks.
His Excellency Mr. Mohammed Jelly, the Director and Representative of the UNESCO Office in Jakarta, His Excellency Mr. Dennis Changsheng, Program Special Tsunami with UNESCO IOC, His Excellency our colleague Dr. Andi Eka Satria, representing BRIN, Badan Riset dan Inovasi Nasional, as well as representative young professionals who inspire and predict. Sorry. And also our dear colleague, Mr. Adito Kodria, the head of Indian Ocean Tsunami Information Center. Hello everyone, it is a great honor to be here among you at the beautiful traditional booth of Rumah Resilience Indonesia to speak in front of many amazing people who have been working in building resilience capacity in dealing with disasters in Indonesia. One of the potential disasters that has been threatening Indonesia is the giant wave of tsunami. As we have already known, due to the location of Indonesia, that is located in the junction of three major tectonic plates, namely the Eurasian, Indo-Australia and Pacific plate, making Indonesia is very prone to the earthquake and tsunami. According to the tsunami catalog, there are more than 99 have been occurred in Indonesia. The 2004 tsunami in Aceh devastated communities in the Indian Ocean region, primarily in Indonesia, and also in Maldives, Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand. That caused many losses of people and building damages. This catastrophe for us to develop a tsunami mitigation system that images. Realizing the tsunami potential, the Agency of Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics is very concerned to develop and strengthen the tsunami mitigation system. In spite of establishing the Indonesian tsunami warning system, we are also working on the community-based tsunami preparedness activities in collaboration with UNESCO IoT. We have been working to conduct the Indonesian Tsunami Ready School program to strengthen the capacity of community to be able to develop a tsunami-ready community based on the standard of UNESCO IOC Tsunami Ready. Well, ladies and gentlemen, to know more about tsunami-ready communities in this wonderful occasion, we are proudly launching the Tsunami Ready video series and Tsunami Ready game, Tsunami Ready game board as multimedia-based education materials addressed to community at tsunami risk area, as well as for the people who deal with the capacity building on tsunami disaster.
Especially including tsunami disaster risk reduction. These education materials with attractively designed are developed to enrich tsunami mitigation materials to be learned, found, and implemented on developing the tsunami-ready community. Without further ado, as the chair of the National Tsunami Ready Board, I officially launched the video series and game board of Tsunami Ready. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ibu Professor Riko Rita, for the launching. So I would like to, let's show the video. Terima kasih. Sekarang mari kita langsung berinteraksi dengan beberapa teman-teman. Jadi karena waktu kita juga sangat terbatas, di sini kita akan membagi. Jadi Tsunami Ready Board Game ini itu dibuat berdasarkan pada 12 Tsunami Ready Indicators. So the Tsunami Ready Board Game is developed based on 12 Tsunami Ready Indicators. And by playing the Tsunami Ready Board Game, you can actually learn about the 12 indicators. You can actually learn about the 12 indicators through answering a number of questions. And playing the games, there is actually a lot of things that you have to learn. First is that you have to build capacity by answering questions in the board. Second is that you have to have resources. So you have to buy questions, you have to pay. And Ibu Professor Riko Rita have the coins of the questions. Muhammad Jalid also have the coins of the questions. So this is the resources. That means that you need resources to be able to build your capacity. And then once you build your capacity, you will receive a token that indicates that you have already achieved the indicators. So the objective of the games, if you have to collect 12 tokens to make your community tsunami ready. So in addition to this, we also develop a tool, the video. So to be able to learn, or before playing the games, you can also watch the video. It is available in the YouTube, and then you can scan the QR code that you have in the fan that you have. So here is, we would like to ask a question. And let me just give the card to Ibu Dukorita. You will ask one question for the audience. Pak Muhammad, you can ask one question to the audience. Dennis, you can ask one question to the audience. 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 So, I need 6 persons who are interested to get the game, to get here, to join us on the stage. Anybody is interested to get the game? If you are interested to get the game, please join us, answer the questions, and then you'll get the game. Come on. Nobody's interested? Yes.
Don't be shy.
Yes. We have 2, 3,
Wow, wow, wow.
4,
Okay. 4.
5. Come on, join us the game. 5. We need. Anybody is interested? Come on, join. Okay. Well, boleh berdiri sini? So I will ask Ibu Dwi Korita to first ask the question.
Oke, starting now, Bapak. Baik.
Yes.
Oke, Mas dan Mbak ini ya.
Yeah,
Pertanyaannya.
we ask this one first.
Oh, only one person I should
Yeah.
ask. Oke.
Silakan.
Untuk Mbak, pertanyaannya, jalur evakuasi harus dipahami oleh siapa saja. Boleh memilih, ya, jadi silahkan memilih ya, satu jawaban di antara 3. A, orang lokal. B, wisatawan atau pengunjung. C, semua yang ada di A dan B.
Semua yang ada di A dan B.
Ya, jawabannya benar, Bu.
Betul sekali ya.
Yes.
Dapat hadiah apa ini, Pak?
Dapat game boardnya, Bu. Nanti
Oh, great.
mungkin Ibu bisa menyerahkannya.
Oke, sebentar.
Rugi kan kalau nggak naik? So now I would like to ask Pak Muhammad to ask the question. You can ask in English and I will help to translate. Or you want to you ask in...
I think she speaks English.
Yang bisa bahasa Inggris siapa?
I can see in her eyes.
Okay, please ask the question.
You?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Following a tsunami, how long should the evacuees stay in the designated safe place? 2 hours after tsunami? Until no more tsunami announcement is made by the authority, or until a safe to return announcement is made by the authority? 1, 2, or 3? Do you want to repeat? I repeat. Maybe you can translate.
Okay, so kapan boleh kembali ke setelah kejadian tsunami, 2 jam setelah tsunami, atau setelah ada informasi bahwa tsunami tidak ada lagi, atau setelah dinyatakan aman untuk kembali?
Setelah dinyatakan aman untuk kembali.
Yes,
Yes.
that's the correct
Great.
answer.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Well,
Let's have a
well
picture.
done.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Now I will ask Dennis to ask the question.
Okay, are you ready for tsunami?
Yes.
Okay.
No, please.
Okay, tsunami signage can help community to be prepared in anticipating a tsunami. Correct or incorrect? Tsunami signage is it going to help community to be prepared for a tsunami?
Correct.
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 Benar kan jawabannya? Oh, nyesel kan nggak naik kan? So I will ask Tasha to ask the question.
Pakai bahasa Indonesia kan? Berapa kali setidaknya dalam setahun kita harus melakukan pendidikan resiko tsunami kepada masyarakat? Ada pilihan tengahnya Mbak, opsional. Yang pertama, sekali dalam 1 tahun. Yang kedua, 2 kali dalam 1 tahun. Yang ketiga 3 kali dalam 1 tahun. Boleh? Cari waktu juga. 3 kali dalam setahun. Oke, jawabannya 3 kali dalam setahun. Nah.
Okay, I will ask Anton ask a question.
I will ask the question in bahasa Jawa.
Okay, I'll try.
Sorry, bahasa Indonesia. Menyelenggarakan kegiatan bersama dengan latihan tsunami, simulasi atau latihan merupakan langkah yang efektif. Benar atau salah?
Benar.
Yeay!
Oke, masih ada satu, tapi kali ini saya akan mengundang peserta yang paling jauh dari Bali. Siapa yang paling jauh dari Bali? Bapak dari mana, Pak?
Aceh.
Aceh, silakan. So we are inviting a participant who is the furthest way from Bali, and he comes from Aceh. Pak, oh yes, sorry, I remember you. I met him before.
Imam from CDMR,
From the Tsunami Disaster Research Management Center.
Oke, pertanyaannya, sungai yang mengalir ke laut dapat menyebabkan genangan tsunami lebih jauh ke daratan. Benar atau salah? Kira-kira benar nggak? Benar. Layak ya dapat tsunami board game ya. Pakai tangan dong.
Kita masih punya waktu 2 menit lagi. Bisa jawab about 2 more minutes. Shall we ask more questions? Yeah? Who would like to ask questions? Okay. Okay. So I have 1 question. And I know that you have received the fan. Everybody have received the fan? No. Anybody who has not received the fan? So the first who raises the fan will come here. Okay? Tolong dilihatin siapa yang pertama kali mengajukan kipas. Yang belum punya kipas, kalau mau kipas masih bisa. Okay? Pertanyaannya. Karena I think everybody is Indonesian here. Yes, so I'll read in Indonesia. Jenis material, pemilihan warna, penggunaan kata, ketinggian rambu-rambu, dan pengaplikasian simbol adalah faktor yang dapat mempengaruhi efektivitas sampel lampu tsunami. Benar atau salah? Coba. Jawabannya? Benar atau salah? Benar. Dari situ aja juga nggak apa-apa.
Maaf nih, baru datang jadi belum nyala.
Lalu ya, di sini jadi di dalam permainan ini ada 250 pertanyaan terkait dengan ini. Jadi kalau memainkan game ini tentunya akan mendapatkan pelajaran. Jadi kita agak kebetulan ini yang saya ada bahasa Inggris. Jadi oke. tsunami, bahwa Anda berada di daerah bahaya tsunami. Yang kedua, rambu tsunami, jalur evakuasi. Yang ketiga, rambu dilarang masuk. Yang mana yang bukan rambu tsunami?
Dilarang masuk.
Iya, betul. Kita langsung Pak Muhammad. Nah, bagi yang belum menerima, kalau berminat untuk mendapat game, kita akan mengadakan permainan Tsunami Ready Board Games siang ini jam 4 sampai jam 6 di Hotel Novotel. Jadi kalau berminat silakan scan, ada QR code, situ ada daftar. Kalau daftar silakan datang ke tempat kami di Hotel Novotel jam 4 sampai jam 6. Siapapun yang datang, siapapun yang main akan mendapatkan satu board game. Jadi silakan daftar melalui QR code, dan setelah daftar nanti akan dikonfirmasi oleh Alvan. Kalau confirm silakan datang dan kita akan bermain. Setelah bermain akan mendapatkan satu board game. Terima kasih karena waktu yang membatasi kita. So I would like to request maybe we can get a group photo together. Oh, mau nanya? Yes, silakan. Boleh. That's a question from the audience.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt the photo session. So I just want to ask, I'm really interested in getting this board game. I think it's very innovative. And then just want to ask, what does it relate to social cohesion, social resilience between the children who play this game? And then can we also purchase this online, maybe in e-commerce or something? Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. So if you allow me, I can answer that question. So first, the game is directed for 12 years above. So 12 years above, which is basically secondary grade, because the questions might be too difficult.